So I just wanted to put this in at the very start of the video. It's about our next event that we're doing, which is called Minivation. There's a link down in the description to the event. All minis are welcome, club stands, trade stalls. There's going to be food and refreshments there. It's £5 entry per person, kids go free, and all profit is going to a veteran welfare support charity. If you would like a trade stall there or a club stand, feel free to contact us on the email that's on screen now, and I hope to see everyone there. Completely filled that car park, and there's more coming in. I haven't said this is the August mini Bitz run, and it's a big turnout, so hopefully there might be a couple more that come that might tag along with these seals, but we'll see. So we're gonna go see what cars are here.
Fine.
This is ridiculous. I literally don't know where anyone is. Oh, I can't believe that. I think this is definitely one of the biggest we've done. There's Lou's car. Look at it. Stick that in there. And obviously, there's mine, tucked away in the corner. Right. Yeah, that's I'm liking that. Nice road minis. Oh shit, falling over.
No, nobody knows what they're doing.
Dad!
Getting all the attention. Oh, where are we going? We're going up here. Do you want to go see minis? Is that what you're wanting? No, go on. See? Whoopi knows what's good. He wants minis. Ooh. Yeah, you like minis, don't you?
Luke Fox. And Luke Fox.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, more attention.
That's the only reason she comes from there.
Oh, where are we going now?
I mean, I paid the.
Go on, have a wee on his car. Have a wee on it. We don't like the Chromobile.
Yeah, the night before, aren't they? Yeah. So they're not going to meet up, having to.
Come on, let's put you in a. Well, no, we're not going up there. We're going to go here. Yeah. No, wrong way.
Parkinson water.
Just put it in now.
Come here.
Oval.
Come here.
All the way around.
Hello.
Got a hot air
I'm on 3G.
So, Torrin, care to explain what happened?
I got lost
Why? Why did you get lost?
because I was too far away, because I was too slow in my Mini Cooper. You know, not in a Cooper S. You know,
Is it just a Cooper?
It's just a Cooper.
If you know, you know. If you know, you know.
Yours is just a one, really.
But debatable now.
It's just a one.
On paper, it's just a one. But is it just a one?
It's just a one.
Who knows? Who knows? I'm not saying anything.
Shorts.
No, everything's declared. No, it is. Surprisingly. We have literally taken out. I think they're all the way down there now, aren't they?
Yeah, they're all the way down round.
That's mad.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on till my shadow turns to sun rays. And